Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting video guys. I'm happy to review my face to you guys so that you guys gonna see the voice behind everything I've been doing in this channel. Okay guys, I want to use this opportunity to wish us a very happy Xmas, okay? And guys, I'm here in your office right now guys. So I just wanna use this opportunity to explain a little thing for us. But this is not gonna be a face video. And from next year, guys, from next year, believe me, we're gonna start a very first video, so that you're gonna be seeing me and I'll be explaining some certain things to you guys. So, but we're gonna continue to join the voice throughout the end of this very year. From January, then we're gonna start a new epoch to this very channel where I'll be doing everything live, both trading and every other thing. Okay, guys. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm gonna go into the chat and we're gonna check out what we'll have in the chart, okay? And the entry that we got from this chart, you know, as I've told us and I've been doing in this channel, I'll try to carry us along in everything, every trade that I'm entering. So guys, that is it. That's what we're going to do right now. So if you are ready for me, guys, hit the like button. If you're happy and excited to see me, guys, hit the like button and let's go into the business of the day, okay, guys? So catch you guys on the run. So guys, back here on the chart, if you check very well, you're gonna see that the market has been in an uptrend for past few days now. Then coming to here at yesterday, it started ranging. So actually what happened is that when the market started ranging, I woke up this morning and I saw some series of the same ranging continuous. Then I had to like look out for an entry. So actually, when the market made this series of rejection here, I made this very entry. Okay, guys. Now, I don't just make this entry because the market came to series of rejection at this very point. No, because it's possible that the market can make this series of rejection and still blow more down. Probably these rejections would have a kind of rest for the market, okay? Then it continue blowing down. Now, what are the things, okay? What are the criterias? What are the confluences that I got, okay? It's not just only this rejection, okay, guys? What are other confluences that I got? Remember what I normally tell us. Now, before you make an entry, before you pull in a sell or a buy, ask yourself, what is telling me to buy? What is telling me to sell? What do I have in my chart? Do I have any patterns? Do I have any retesting? Do I have any trend line? Do I have any moving average, any indicator, whatever that is telling you it's time to buy or it's time to sell? Okay, you don't just come up to the chart and start buying and selling. It's not gambling, guys. You're not doing prediction. Okay, you're not doing prediction. This is one of the area I think most traders get it wrong. Okay, you don't just wake up, you say oh, the chart is going down, let me buy or let me sell. No, something must tell you, okay guys, it's time to buy, it's time to sell. When you sell to this point, it doesn't go to your direction, go out and all this and all that. Okay guys, that's what we call strategy. Okay guys, that's what it's called, strategy. So in your strategy, you must ask yourself, the strategy has an edge in the market. Okay guys, so let me just go straight to the business, guys. So what are the other confluence that I got apart from this rejection? Okay, if I pull out my indicator, guys, you see that when the rejection came at this very point, my indicator was at oversold. Okay, so when it came here, my indicator was at oversold. Now I got also a pattern from both the indicator and the chart. So the market did a W pattern here. Okay, now when the market did this very double pattern, I also checked my indicator and I also saw a double bottom here. Do you see that, guys? Do you see that? Okay, that's number one. Okay, that's number one. The market came to oversold and also give me a pattern there. Then in the chart also give me a pattern. Okay, now another thing that made me to push in the buy is because this rejection came at the 200 moving average. Believe me guys, this is one of the moving average that the market respects so much. The 200 moving average is one of the moving average that the market respects so much. So when the market the rejections came at this 200 moving average, I know that there's gonna be a push high because the 200 moving average has been break severally. The market has tested it. So it's time for it to push up because we are starting up a kind of uptrend. So previously, if you check the history of the chart, you see that the chart has been in a long downtrend. The chart has been in a long downtrend up to this point. Okay, up to this point. So now I'm after this ranging, I'm expecting the market to push a little up. So we're expecting that the market will push a little up, guys. So if the market push a little up and break above this 200, then we'll be looking out for a buy. That's how to know your trend. Okay. Sorry, I'm diverting the setup, but this is just what you have to know. This part of what you have to know. You have to understand the structure of the market. What structure is the market? Is it downtrend? Is it uptrend? Is it ranging? Okay, so this is one of the expo I'm just giving you here right now. So for you to know what trend your market is, just use the 200 moving average. If the market, if price is below the 200 moving average, then you know that price is downtrend. Okay, that's just a straightforward a kind of a kind of clue. It's just a kind of clue. It's not generalized, guys. Every other trader has their own ways of detecting what the market is actually doing. Okay, so but this is just a kind of clue. So once the market break the 200 moving average and go above the 200 moving average, there is a tendency that the market is about to start up a kind of an uptrend. Okay, guys. So that's on that aspect. So when the market did that, I started testing the 200 moving average. I know that there's gonna be a push up than a push down, because previously we have been having series of downtrend before the market now break the 200 moving average to push up. Okay, so that's another thing that got me. That's another thing that got my interest. Then another thing was also the psychological level of 2490 level, guys. The psychological level of 2490 level at this very place. This was a psychological level that the market tested previously. Okay, that's the psychological level of this 24,900 level. So when I see that the market cannot be able to break it up, okay, guys, I had to wait for it to retest it again. So when it retested it again, I know that yeah, I've gotten another confluence. Okay, guys. So guys, this is just a kind of generalized price action. This is just price action. So you got to understand your candlestick patterns, understand your chart patterns, understand your moving averages or your indicator, the one you normally use in your own. But if you're following me up in what I do, I normally use EMA, okay, exponential moving average. Then understand your indicator window. How does your indicator window relate with your chart window? How does these things work together for you to achieve your aim? Okay, and also remember, the mission is not for you to win every trade. The vision is for you to stay long in the market. And how can you be able to stay long in the market? You can be able to stay long in the market when you apply a good proper risk management. Okay, guys, this is very, very important. Okay, so if I am to add up trade to this trade, if I would have tried to stack it when the market make this situation to this point, I should have make an entry here. Then my stop loss this very place now. Now when I made this entry here, my stop loss was below this level. So this very point is my area of value. So I have to allow the market to create an area of value for me to go in. That's why when the market was coming down, I did not jump in. I had to wait for it to form an area of value for me. So an area of value is just like a kind of backup for me. It's just a kind of backup for me that will help me to push price towards my direction. Okay. So you just have to get an area of value. Then first understand the structure of the market, uptrend, downtrend range, then get an area of value. Once you get an area of value, then you get a candlestick confirmation or candlestick pattern, a chart pattern. Then once you got two or three, boom, guys, you make your entry. Allow your age to play out. Okay, just have to allow your age to play out. You don't have to be scared of losing money in trading. No, you don't have to be scared. If you are scared, that means you're gonna see a good setup and you will let it pass you by. Okay, guys, so you just have to stick to what you do and execute the process often and often. If the setup is not there, stay away from the market. Mostly, guys, this is a festive period, so the brokers, the investors are pulling out from the market because nobody knows what is gonna come about the pandemic news and every other thing. So even Derive has given you some notification. Those of you that normally check your mail about how the market will be moving in this festive period. So guys, you just have to be focused, have to be careful and trade little little. Okay, guys, don't try to risk everything you've got. Just try to be conservative. Okay, guys. So guys, I'm gonna leave you in this very point so that I'm not gonna make the video too long, guys. So see you guys in the new year video that I will be revealing to us what we're doing in the new year, guys. Hit the like button, guys, and share. Okay, guys. See you guys in the next video. Away.